Hi guys, welcome to our Welding Spacecast. I'm your host today, your teacher. Anyway, okay, so guys, we're gonna work on a series for fillet welds. I'm gonna do a series of shorter videos, and that way it's a little bit easier to absorb it, okay? All right, so onwards. Fillet welds and understanding the symbols. Okay, so the first thing we need to understand is, well, how do we make a symbol, right? All right, so we have to have what's called a reference line. The reference line contains all of the information necessary for the welder to perform a weld. Now, the arrow can go down, the arrow can go up, and the arrow can even zigzag. Okay, and it points to the area that needs to be welded. Okay, pretty cool, right? Well, it gets even better. Now that we get this, we're going to get a whole lot more. All right, so in order for us to have a symbol, we must have a reference line and an arrow to start. Okay? Now, the bottom is called the arrow side, and the top is called the other side. Okay? Remember, welders thought of this. This wasn't me. Okay? So it's really simple to understand. Okay? The arrow side is always on the bottom. It never changes regardless of what direction the arrow points. The other side is always on the top. Okay? It's pointing to the other side of the weld. Even if my arrow is on this side, the information does not switch around. Okay? So you need to understand that as well. Okay? All right. Now, let's talk about this. So, the symbol for fillet weld, okay, is a triangle. Okay? The up and down is always on the left-hand side. Otherwise, what? I know, you're an asshole. Okay? And then it goes like this. So, I have a fillet weld. I'm going to point to whatever it is on the arrow side. If it is on the symbol is on the bottom, it is on the arrow side, and it points exactly to where the weld goes. If I have a symbol on the other side, it will go on the opposite side. So let's work on this. Okay, so let's start with this one. Okay, so it's pointing to here. Now it depends on what side of the reference line my symbol is on will determine where my weld goes. So if I put it here, this is the what? Arrow side. So that means my weld is going to be on side C. All right, now let's look at another one. Same arrow, but our symbol is on the other side, which makes this where? Where does my weld going to go? My weld is going to go on side D, okay? Because that is the other side of the weld. All right, making sense? Now, what happens if I have one like this? Okay, both sides, right? Well, another word for both sides is double. If it's on the bottom and the top, it is a double fillet, okay? All right, so kind of crooked, sorry guys. And if I have this, where is my weld going to go? Question? Well, my weld is going to go here and here. Sound good? I think it's pretty reasonable. Okay, now, all right, I got another one, guys. Answer me this. See if you guys can see this one. What would be another way to put this? Well, I can also say this. Does it mean the same thing? Oh, not yet. Now it does. Does it mean the same thing? Yes, it means put it on side B. Wherever the arrow points is where we want the weld. All right, guys, as always, if you have any questions, please ask. Take care.